Good afternoon. In news just coming in, the framing of charges against actor Salman Khan in the 2002 hit-and-run case have begun in court. Remember, Salman Khan, in fact, has pleaded not guilty in court. The court has framed charges under Section 304, Part 2. That's culpable homicide not amounting to murder. 279, 379 and other sections. Remember, Salman has been exempted from appearing during the hearing of the case by Mumbai's Sessions Court earlier today. A magistrate's court had earlier ruled that Salman Khan must face a fresh trial under the more serious charge of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, and that charge has just been framed in court. Remember, the punishment for this is up to 10 years in prison. So far, the actor has been tried for a much lesser offence of causing death by negligence, and the maximum punishment for this is only 2 years in jail. Well, my colleague Rashmi Rajput now joining us on the phone line. Rashmi, just take us through what's happening in court.
Bani, the court has framed the charge against Salman Khan. Now, he will be tried under 304 Part 2, that is culpable homicide not amounting to murder. This is, as you said, a more serious charge than what he was initially, tried for. That time around, it was only for death by negligence, which attracts a punishment of only 2 years. In this particular case, if found guilty, Salman Khan could face an imprisonment of 10 years. So this is a serious charge that the actor will be tried afresh. A new trial will begin. What is the importance of today's hearing is that the court has decided on what charge Salman Khan should be tried, which means that the court is convinced that there is evidence to the effect which shows that prima facie the actor could be charged for 304 Part 2, and the trial will commence after this. Now, there would be a next hearing that will be given, and from that hearing, the trial will commence. As you also pointed out, the actor has been exempted from appearing during the trial, but of course, there would be times he has to appear when he has to be, when he has to be identified by the witnesses. So at that time, a very important day in the Salman Khan trial, setback for the actor, and he might be hoping that the charge might be dropped against him, but that has not happened. The court is convinced that prima facie there is some evidence to show that he should be tried under 304 Part 2, and he would be tried for that. And Salman Khan has pleaded not guilty, which basically means that he is of the opinion that he should not be tried under 304 Part 2. So the trial will begin now, and it will take some time for the court to come to the conclusion on what kind of sentence to award, whether the actor is guilty or not guilty. The entire process will begin afresh, which basically means that the witness will depose. There would be a lot of people who would depose in the court. The prosecution will present its case, the defense will argue, and then at the end of it, the judge will decide on whether or not Salman Khan is guilty, and then will decide on what kind of quantum of sentence should be awarded to him. So it is a long process, but what it basically means for the actor that he will be tried under a serious charge of culpable homicide not amounting to murder.